Morning guys. It's about 6:45 right now. I just started my truck in this -1 degree weather here in Bowling Green, Ohio on December 22nd, I believe. It's 22nd. No, it's 23rd. December 23rd here. As you can tell, it says 0 degrees on my thing right now, and it is cold, but the truck started up perfectly. No problems with the truck starting up, which is surprising to me, but I had no problems with it starting up, so that was pretty good there. Right now the transmission temperature is 46 degrees Fahrenheit, and it is windy and it is cold. I was out there putting the windshield wipers down, and it is freezing cold out there, actually below freezing cold. It is in the single digits right now. I think I checked the temperature on my phone, it said -1 this morning. So, and the wind chill makes it a lot colder. So and I'm surprised that the truck started here. I was a little worried when I went to bed last night if the truck wasn't going to start or not, but it has started. So that's pretty good. I'll drive around this morning, see if I can see anything. We didn't get a lot of snow. There's some little bits of snow piles in some areas, like right there. But a lot of the blowing snow and the wind has kind of made the snow pile up in different areas, so it's not all evenly covered as it would be in a regular snowstorm without all this wind. So I'll hit you guys up the next time I get on the road here. Alright. So the engine just idled down. That was like a 15-20 minute warm-up period that it just had there. Got some ice on the windshield. I don't want to use the other stuff because it might freeze it up. So, all right, first drive in -2 degree weather with a -30 degree wind chill. Well, we're moving. She may not like how cold we are. We are moving. It's just some of the snow on the ground, piled up snow. Roads don't look half bad. See some of the blowing snow there on the edge and everything. And it's pretty windy, though. I think the snow is kind of slowed down. Uh-oh. That person shouldn't be out of here. So it's kind of slowed down a little bit here. I don't know how well you could see because I was kind of focusing on the road and everything. But yeah, this is a nasty, deadly, very deadly cold snow storm here. I mean, we didn't get as much snow as I thought we would. said, about 2 to 4 inches. This is a little bit less than that, mostly because of all the wind and it blowing around. I'll go downtown here and see what we can see. There's a little snow here just to slide on that road. So this road seems to be covered, downtown's road seems to be covered pretty good here. Taking it easy. Looks like they just snow plowed it up in the middle of the street here. A little center lane there. Pretty crazy, guys. Pretty crazy. Yeah, it's just the wind and the deadly temperatures. That's what you gotta watch out for. And storms like these, the temperatures, and I mean, look at that. I'll get on the highway here in a little bit and see how those look. This is what this looks like right now. Downtown Bowling Green, Ohio. That's where I'm at. Brakes seem to work. You can just see the blowing snow that these extreme winds and extreme temperatures take a toll. So look at this. This is like a blowing blizzard. Now I'm on a little country road here going up towards Toledo. And it was blowing like a whole bunch across the road. Yeah, so you can see it's blowing all over the place. It's pretty windy right now. It's about 7:04 in the morning. It went up a degree. It's 1 degree out with a negative 30-degree feel with that wind chill factor. This is the coldest weather I've been in. Let me tell you that right now. Roads here seem to cleaned up pretty well, mostly because of the wind that's blowing across them, kind of keeping some of the snow and ice off and rain off that we had here. But I'm going up towards Toledo, Ohio right now. Just taking this little backcountry road, and I'll take the highway back, Highway 75, 475 or whatever, to back to Bowling Green and see what that looks like. It's probably the same as this. I'm not too sure. Give you guys an update. This is Highway 75 right now. They got it pretty cleared out. There's 3 lanes, so the 3rd lane's kind of covered up, but they got 2 lanes open right now on Highway 75 here. I'm headed down south back to Bowling Green. Sorry, it's a little bumpy. The roads are a little not very flat here, so it's kind of bumpy. But yeah, that's that. So the roads seem to be okay. I mean, there's some slippery spots. Oh, there's a big wind gust right there. But for the most part, see, I couldn't even see that car. You see those guys' lights? I couldn't even see him in front of me until he turned on his lights. Brake lights. Now I'm starting to see him. Jeez. Yeah. So just be careful out there. Yeah, I'm gonna be blowing around here. I might have to get off the phone pretty quickly here. Yeah, see you guys when I'm back in the other other side of town. So downtown here, we got a lot of ice right now on the roads. And you can tell it's cold because there's some frost on the doors. When I got out of my apartment building this morning, there was frost on the main door to go in. But you can tell right here, let me push on the gas a little bit. Yeah, right the brakes. It's pretty slick right now, right here at least. Got a plow truck in front of me. But yeah, you gotta be careful on this area. At least on this area, you gotta be careful. But the main highways and the other roads look pretty fine. But it's just that compact snow, and they don't get it plowed off or salted well enough. It freezes over, and there's ice on the road. So you gotta be careful with that. Well, that's the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that little, video. I haven't posted in about 5 years, so this is trying to get back on the swing of things. Thought I had a big snowstorm of 2022. Now it's the third day of winter now. So first big storm of the year. Thought I might as well make a video about it. Have something to do, and hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Talk to you then.